Dr. Pilch was the assistant superintendent, and I worked in Boulder Valley Schools. One of my last days in the district over there, I was speaking with her and the district athletic director, and she asked me about Greeley and knowing that I was from here. And she said, well, you should know that that's a job that I'm watching, because that's a place that I'd really want to be. So here she is, and what a difference she's made.
I remember the day that I met Deirdre. It was when she came to have her big interview, and some of the community members were asked to come help interview her. And I was really pleased that I was asked to do that, so I got to meet all the finalists. She was unbelievable. She was high energy. She really wanted this job. She felt she could make a difference. Her passion was overwhelming, and I thought, she's the one.
I really was impressed with her style and the fact that she immediately made it a point to build the relationships with the important stakeholders in the district and also on the outside.
I just knew that this was a place where I could make a significant difference. I knew that my skill set and my drive and my mission would be a good match for the work that needed to be done here next.
From my military days, I would definitely call her a warrior, because I've been in places where, okay, so she is taller than me, but we all know she's very petite. It's been amazing to see her take on a very firm role with a smile on her face and not back down.
Just the idea that I feel like as educators we're respected, we're valued, we're heard, and that she cares about the smallest things all the way to the biggest things really increased my respect and admiration for her over time.
She's so inclusive because she also really wants to know what everyone thinks about something before she does it.
Being able to empower others. I think that's a huge part of leadership. From my West Point days, we've been told, you're a good leader when you can do good things and leave. But you're a great leader when you can leave great leaders behind. And that is clearly true about her.
I feel seen by her, I feel heard by her, and I feel like if there was ever something I really needed, I could totally go to her. And that's huge for a leader of a district this size.
I would say I am not necessarily an easy leader to work for. I am very high energy, I'm very high drive, I'm very collaborative, I like lots of input, I like lots of voices on a decision. And that can sometimes make people crazy, because some people are just like, come on, Deirdre, make a decision. I think that people stick with me because they see my deep love and my deep passion for what we do in K-12 education. I was the first female in my family to graduate high school and go to college. And look what I get to do today, because I graduated high school and I got to college. And I want every young person to have opportunities like I've had. The work around getting every student to high school graduation and prepared for college is really the work that has driven me throughout my career because of my own story. I had a high school counselor who said to me he said, Deirdre, you're not really college material. And I believed him. But I had two high school teachers who said, you are college material. And because of that, and then the hard work of my family to get me to college, I was able to go to college. I am so blessed to have the family I have. They're very good about keeping me humble and helping me to remember where I come from and how I grew up and what's important. And my husband, Jeff, is just the most amazing man.
Deirdre has made a real difference in our community. She's a catalyst for change. She works with the other leaders in the community very well, and we're a different community because of her.
I think I really enjoyed Dr. Pilch from her simple approach and how well she treated other people, the respect she showed, and I felt good about where we were headed immediately after getting to know her.
I think my greatest professional accomplishment has been the ability to have a vision for what pre-K-12 public education can be. And then to put the amazing, talented people in place as a part of my team to realize that vision. And then just let people lead. Let people lead from the seat they're in and do the work of changing kids' lives. That's a great accomplishment when you get to do that.